honored, very privileged and very humbled to have all of you here. You know, I was just sitting वहाँ पे behind and I was getting nervous. And why I was getting nervous is when she was talking about tech sparks is it just brings back memories, and all of you here, entrepreneurs especially, people who are starting up or people who are just trying to figure out life, it just reminded me of 6 years back when I had moved to Bengaluru and thought of came to the city and thought क्या करना चाहिए, कुछ धमाकेदार करना चाहिए, right? And startup ecosystem was just taking birth, and I thought, okay, tech ecosystem, and everyone said, oh, you don't know tech. Tech is like really like this esoteric big thing that is happening. So I said, okay, but what I know is how to create a spark, right? So we will get the tech community and we will create a spark. And today I'm very honored that it's 7th year, and all of you as entrepreneurs will realize that हर एक year में कितनी सदियाँ बीतती हैं, right? There are so many moments. And I remember when I had done this first time, when she was talking about sponsors, the entrepreneurs and everyone who had come that year, they were really embarrassed, right? Because nobody had heard of your story, nobody had heard of, okay, kya event hai. So I still remember there was a sponsor, and with due love and due credit, because they are absolutely adorable, Microsoft was the sponsor. So सबने कहा Microsoft Tech Sparks. I was like, your story kahan hai? Like, as entrepreneur, I was like thinking. So the whole event became Microsoft Tech Sparks. And one of the jury member, and I still remember Prashant Chokshi from Mumbai Angels, who was there in the first year, 2010. Then he was leaving and I was standing behind because all big people had come and everything. Then he said that, Shraddha, start believing in your own spark, right? Like you are somewhere behind, it's your event, you should feel proud about it. You should not feel, सबको अगर stage लेने दे दोगी तो stage कभी नहीं मिलेगा, right? So you should go and grab the stage. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen and entrepreneurs and startups and all my amazing sponsors, thank you so much. 7th year, very proud to have TechSparks. And this TechSparks means anything because each one of you in this room has to have the spark, right? I'll tell you one story because I have to tell this story. We are your story. Yesterday I was speaking to a very seasoned, very big name in the industry, yesterday morning, and I was telling him, requesting him, can you please join me? At a very senior post, can you please join me? And बहुत ज़्यादा desperately I was saying, why don't you come, do this, this is a great role, and then you'll get lots of money, you'll get stocks, and why don't you join? So he listens to me and starts laughing. And what do you think he would have said? Would he join me? Oh, no, he's not. He says, no, Shraddha, I can't join you. And I'm like, why? Why can't you join me? He says, पिछले 5 साल से जब भी तुमसे फ़ोन पे बात करता हूँ, you are always stressed. You are always agitated, upset, stressed, and always trying to figure things out. Like you're never happy, relaxed, and calm. Like when I talk to you, I'm looking at my lake, and I'm enjoying life. And when I get into a startup, then I know what will happen to me, right? Do you agree that startups are stressful? Yeah. Huh? Yes? या नहीं yes? हाँ? कभी हाँ या कभी ना? हमेशा हाँ? No, today the theme of this TechSparks and this year while we are here, I want to stand and tell this to all of us. We've made startup and entrepreneurship so glamorous, right? It's cool to be a startup, but sometimes I feel it's fool to be a startup, right? Because the whole definition of startup today has become what? Kitna funding mila hai, right? How much have you got funded? Who all have got funded in this room? Oh my God, the rest of you are beneath my conversation only. You don't even exist. You're not even cool enough, right? That's the conversation. Last 2 years, the only thing that we listen to all the time is kisko kitna funding mila hai, who's raised from whom, right? And who is the sexiest in this definition? Tell me. जिसके बारे में हम लोग सबको ही बात करते हैं. Which is, who are those? हाँ? उनके तो बात ही मत करो. But who are the people about whom we keep talking all the time? You know, we keep talking about companies who've got $1 billion valuation, right? Unicorns. 6 years back when I started TechSparks, I didn't even know the word unicorns, right? Today the benchmark has become kisko kitna valuation mila hai, who's got funding, and who's raised from Sequoia, who's raised from Axel, who's raised from Kalari, where has Mr. Ratan Tata invested, and why hasn't he put money in my company? That's the conversation. And somewhere I request all of you that in doing that conversation, you know, we are all guilty of it, all of us in this room. We all have a lenses where someone has got funded, तो वो company सही होगी, है ना? होगी? हाँ? 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 वो तो नहीं मिला इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. Once you've got funding, then you have arrived. And that has become a definition, and I think the epicenter of that conversation is brand Bengaluru, because we the Silicon Valley of India, and that's where the conversation begins. Like, hey, you've got funding, then you cool. If a VC is giving you time, then you're cool, otherwise you just don't exist. And you know, there is a racism or caste system कि ये जो funded वाले हैं, वो इस events में जाएंगे और ये करेंगे, जो नहीं funded है, वो एक झुंड में रहेंगे और बाकी हम सारे सल्क ट्विटर पे करेंगे, right? And that has become a narrative. You know why I'm saying this? Because all of us have to think about it. We are all participants of this. I've been doing Your Story for 8 years, but last year when I got funded, suddenly everyone woke up in this country and said, congratulations, you're doing such an amazing thing. पिछले 7 साल से क्या कर रही थी? हाँ, रगड़ रही थी ना? एकदम मेहनत तो कर रही थी, मगर लास्ट ईयर हो गया कि अरे फंडिंग मिल गया तो बहुत हो गया. Today, while we come to TechSparks, let's create that spark which is not based on these mileage and milestones that we define for ourselves, based on who got funded. And media. सबसे पहला 2 years, what have been we reading every day? When we wake up in the morning, you know, I've stopped reading newspapers. That, you know, I only read Your Story, and so should all of you. But every day the definition is kisko funding mili hai, right? Like that's become the narrative. You know, and especially I feel bad for young people and all of us, because I had to struggle for 7 years before someone thought that, okay, theek hai, let's take a bet, right? It's not easy. Every year we have 20,000, 30,000 companies. 0.01% get funded. So are we not successful if we don't get funded? And I want the answer to come from all of us. Please. Huh? We are not successful if we don't get funded. कैसे लोग हैं? Are we successful if we don't get funded? You know, so let's remember that. Because if you're standing next to, you know, I gave example of Flipkart, मैंने अभी दिया था. घर में conversation हर जगह यही सुनती हूँ. Look at Vinny Bansal's house. All of you have seen Vinny Bansal's house. Huh? Like, it was there in the articles, no? Some 40 crores or 400 crores. 32 crores. See, he remembers the number, right? Now that cannot be the definition of success. Because uske 32 crores to मैंने देखे भी नहीं है, right? But am I not successful? And that's the conversation I hope we have today. The theme today is build, grow, and monetize. And build, grow, and monetize can only happen when we think beyond funding, right? And I hope all of you know, many of you will be very disappointed because you've come here to meet VCs. And my very respected Mr. Shailendra Singh and a lot of VCs will be here. But I hope all of you can think beyond funding. And while you are at it, let me tell you from someone who's been doing entrepreneurship for 8 years, it's going to be very tough. It's going to be very lonely. People whom you would like, whom you will think will support you, will not support you. ये सब हम लोग आके stage पे कहते हैं कि, you know, I want to, you know, like we do the, you know, Magsaysay Award and Femina Award and all those awards. Hey, I want to thank God and I want to thank everyone. But you know, it's not going to be like that. Friends, family, team, VCs if you get funded, and non-VCs if you don't get funded, your own peers and your friends whom you think are your friends are not going to be part of this journey. Many of them you will lose in this journey, and it is going to be tough. Today I'm not ashamed to say this because it has been a very tough journey for me. It has been a very lonely journey. And in sub loneliness and toughness mein, what keeps me going? Right? Somewhere as entrepreneurs, we have to ask that question. You know, I'm very self-deprecating, right? I always look down upon myself saying, वो क्यों नहीं मुझे join कर रहा है? Why am I not raising my next round of funding? Why am I not getting as many people? Why is someone not appreciating me? And I think that can't be a benchmark. It's a path to sadness. It's a path to not being happy. Because एक fund raise कर लोगे तो A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, Z भी है आजकल, right? So it's an unending path. I hope and I wish that all of you are going to be happy and very, very happy in your journey. And what will get you going is a tweet which I had done yesterday, and I want to tell this again because somehow it sums up my journey, and I'm sure journey of all of us in this room and outside. This is in Hindi, and I hope all of you some of you understand. Do you understand Hindi? I wish I could speak it in Kannada, but I found it in Hindi, so I will say it in Hindi. डर मुझे भी लगा फासला देखकर, okay? डर मुझे भी लगा फासला देखकर, पर मैं बढ़ता गया रास्ता देखकर। खुद ब खुद मेरे नज़दीक आ गई मेरी मंजिल, खुद ब खुद मेरे नज़दीक आ गई मेरी मंजिल, मेरा हौसला देखकर। Right? So what all of you will have and should have and will have till we live is our own hausla, our own spark, our own inner energy, right? And I wish you all not a very successful and not a very funded and not a very adventurous existence. I wish you all a very happy existence. Be very happy and be very curious. And that's the secret to having all the spark. I wish all of you all the best, and let's kickstart TechSparks. Now, again, I wrote this, very honored, very humbled, because I had never imagined 7 years back when we did TechSparks that we will have the honor and privilege to have a minister with us, and none other than the IT Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Priyank Kharge is here with us. हमारा हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए और हम सबको कहने के लिए कि TechSparks और हमारे अंदर का spark matters. He's an amazing person. I've had the opportunity to meet him. I know we have our views on politicians and ministers and everyone, but let him come on stage and you will know that what an incredible minister we've got for Karnataka, and that's why I believe in the state and the future of Bengaluru. Sir, may I request you to please come on stage.